Takagi tankless water heaters use a sophisticated diagnostic system that displays error codes to help identify problems quickly and accurately. These codes appear as numbers and letters on the water heater's display panel, providing your first clue to diagnosing any issues with the system. Always refer to your user manual to understand the specific meaning of each error code, as different models may have variations in their diagnostic systems. Let's examine the three most common error codes you're likely to encounter with your Takagi water heater. Error code 101 indicates ignition failure. This means the water heater cannot ignite the gas, often due to insufficient gas supply or issues with the flame rod. Error code 711 signals a high limit switch activation, indicating the system has overheated. This is often caused by sediment buildup in the heat exchanger. Error code 991 is a general warning that could indicate various issues, including ventilation problems, altitude adjustments, or burner and fan motor concerns. Understanding these error codes helps you troubleshoot effectively and make informed decisions about when to attempt basic fixes versus when to call a qualified service professional. Remember, some error codes signal potentially dangerous conditions, so always prioritize safety and consult professionals when in doubt about any diagnostic code. When your Takagi water heater isn't working properly, start with these basic troubleshooting checks to identify common issues. For fluctuating water temperatures, the cold water inlet filter often needs cleaning. This mesh filter can become clogged with debris over time. Regular descaling is crucial, especially in hard water areas. Scale buildup can cause overheating and reduce efficiency. Here's the descaling process using a scale removal system. Installing a water softener can prevent scale buildup and extend your water heater's life. This diagram shows how treated water flows through your home system. Proper venting is essential for safe operation. Use only approved stainless steel vent pipes and ensure all connections are secure. Safety is paramount when working with gas appliances. Always turn off gas and electricity before maintenance and consult qualified professionals for complex issues or dangerous error codes.